What is American service? Pre-plated service is called American service. Room service is one department. Yeah, you carry breakfast trays and arrange, you do a cover setup in the tray. What do you mean by cover? How do you define cover? A minimum space required, that is more important. The minimum space required for a person to keep his cutleries and crockeries and to have his meal. Right? So here the cover is laid out and the food is prepared. So there will not be much wastages. Right? They plate it nicely. A plate will have a main course. Europeans will what? Tell me an example for a main course. Filet the salmon grill, accompanied with the lemon butter sauce. What grammar is to language, sauce is to culinary. Right? All European dishes has to be moistened and it should be harmonized, accompanied, and it should be combined, accomplished with the sauces. Right? Every food has their own type of sauces. For example, roast pork is served with apple sauce. Roast turkey is served with cranberry sauce. Right? So usually fish sauce are served with lemon butter sauce, or even you can use all-like sauce. So along with some grilled vegetables, and there should be a starch component. Usually, the potato shawarma, right? Pons dorette, pons batailles. These kind of accompaniments are served, and it should not. What should be the serving portion of a continental main course? What is the size of a food plate? (16 inches). Usually the standard size is 10 inches, but in nowadays hotels they also use 12-inch plates for main courses. Half plate is otherwise called the dessert plate, or side plate is quarter plate, or bread and butter plate, D&B plate they say. That is quarter plate. Right? Every in the F&B service, we talk about equipments. Have you ever studied about glasswares? Usually the prawns, the soup I was talking about, that is served in a cocktail glass. What is the capacity of a cocktail glass? It should be 3.5 ounces. What should be the size of a water glass? Water goblet. Water glass means highball glass is 10 ounce and water goblet is 8 ounce. Right? If it is a red wine glass, how much should be the capacity? White wine glass, how much should be the capacity? What is champagne saucer and what is champagne flute? And what is champagne tulip? When they serve a la carte offer, they serve it in champagne tulip, it will have more than 8 ounce capacity. But whereas champagne saucer has only 3 ounce capacity, large banqueting party, the host is giving party to 1,000 people, that moment, he may request the manager to serve it in the champagne saucer, which is very different. Just for a formality, they give 1 or 2 ounces of champagne in a royal wedding. Right? So American service is fully pre-plated in English. What is English service? Now is it to get a idea about the different
So these two join late.
See, English service is otherwise called as silver service. Silver service means they come with the omelette plate. The plate is served. Right? Right? How to serve the plate? Your finger should not be touching in the bottom of the plate. Do you use a serviette? Now better to use a serviette also. Serviette, made as cloth. And so usually for every food product there are different platters. One portion bowl is there, two portion bowl is there. For rice, round portion bowls are used. And for meat items and vegetables, the entree dishes, the oval shape dishes are used. And you should learn how to hold a service fork and service spoon. There is always difference between spoons. Service spoon is different and all-purpose spoon is different. Fish spoon is different, soup spoon is different. Right? I think you have referred service and mop cutlery display.
Mop only glassware.
We have cutleries, few cutleries.
There is a class called roly poly. Why is it called so roly poly? Usually roly polies are used to serve the cocktail called Bloody Mary or Virgin Mary. Why is it called so roly poly?